Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to be driving a tractor. Simple as you like. Just a man in his tractor. Basically, the idea of this is when I first drove this tractor on the channel, I had my buddy Vice with me, and we were comparing two different tractors, but I didn't really go into much detail about the tractors. It was more just, look how brilliant this one is, and then look how this one is. So, no, this time we're going to do it properly. I'm going to do sort of like a review and like a feedback of what's happening at the present in this tractor as I'm working with it. So on the back, I have a ballast roller, which I want to say weighs about 1.5, 2 ton, something. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rolling a field. And what that means is all the seed that has been planted needs to be rolled into the dirt. So that's what we're doing. Fun! So what I'm driving in right now is one that I've done yesterday. You can see my tyre marks from yesterday, and we've got to go to the one all the way over there. And then, yeah, we'll just get on with it. Oh, the floor is dirty. Alright, fine, I'll stop procrastinating. Okay, so we're at the field that I'm supposed to be in, and I'm already at my first obstacle. This. It's a little bit boggy. That tractor weighs a lot, so does the roller on the back, and I've now got to get into here. And there's literally a ditch that I've got to drive through. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, handbrakes off. Here we go. Ooh, 4-wheel drive. Here we go. Okay, wheels in. Oh, it doesn't look like it's sinking that much, but what about the roller? Beans, balls. Okay, I may have over-exaggerated how difficult that would be. Well, there's always opportunity for something else to go wrong. I mean, I've got to deal with these ruts now. Look at that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. Probably guesswork and panic. Okay, I've stopped in the wrong spot because... Come on. Come on. Ah, balls. Okay, first gear. Won't touch that just yet, I don't think I need to. I'm still in 4-wheel drive. Why do I make myself look stupid every single video I do? Okay, so you're over there watching me do my thing. And I'm going to do the headland first, which is the bit around the outside of the field. And I've been told how to do this by several different farmers, and they've all come up with several different ways of how to roll the field. So if you're a farmer and you think you can do it better, shut up. So before you farmers get excited thinking they found another farming YouTube channel, that's not what this channel is. This channel is meant to be automotive, cars, and just anything with an engine. Thing is, I'm a farmer, so the only automotive things I can play with as of yet are tractors. I've got a couple of ideas in mind for future videos. One of them is in progress, and it does involve a classic car, but I haven't done it yet. I've been too busy doing stuff like this, so that'll have to wait. A slight issue, that's the end of the field. Oh god, I'm gonna have to back up the roller. This is gonna suck. Right up to the edge of the field. Da-de-da. Now I've got to back this bastard up. Oh god, this thing's a nightmare to reverse. It's alright. Skill and precision shall guide me through my times of hardship. My come on, just follow it round, and now we might be able to turn around. Might be able to. Please tell me I'm gonna miss. Please tell me I've got it, please tell me I've got it. Yes! Okay, one consistent problem is having to sit exactly like this all the time throughout field work. However, I have a solution. I like to take my boots off, like that, and I usually like to put them up here, but that's a metal bar. That ain't comfy, but I have a secret weapon. Carpet. So I've held it on with magnets, and now I just try my best to stick it on there. This is hard to do by myself, but there isn't a passenger seat, and also Vice is busy today. There we are. Okay, comfort test. Fell off. I think I might need some stronger magnets. This is crap. Okay, what if I gently put my feet up? That's not bad. I am comfy. Okay. Let's go. Yay. Okay, so now I'm just going across the field so that I can roll the seeds in more efficiently. Again, if you're a farmer and you can do it better, shut up. This is going to be a fun video to edit. Okay, so, and I f***ed up because I wasn't paying attention. Eight. A little bit of a sit rep. My little carpet thing hasn't really worked. Just turn, you bastard! Too much! My little carpet trick hasn't really worked. My feet are still getting sore. And another thing, even though this tractor is a lot quieter than the other ones, I'm still getting a headache because it is somewhat quite loud in here. It's not really loud, but it's more just a constant sound above the correct number of decibels to give me a headache. And I got music playing and it still isn't drowning it out. So yeah, it's a couple of little niggles. But on the other side, the seat's quite comfy and just trundles along. Not really bouncing around. It's actually, unlike the other tractors, it's actually got articulation. I've had about several waves from lorry drivers. Maybe it's the hat. Maybe I should stop wearing it. Okay, so new sit rep. Whenever the sun comes out, and I gotta be honest, this is the same for every tractor, but whenever the sun comes out, it is a bit like a greenhouse in here. So it does get quite hot. But also, for whatever reason, I'm about to take my hoodie off, to be honest, because this tractor likes to boil you. I don't know why, but when the engine heats up, it heats up the cab completely. It's superheated. It's like it uses the cab as its radiator. And also the aircon just blows outside temperature air, which is just fantastic. So yeah, it's my latest sit rep. But even so, I'm having a good time. This tractor's fun. It just does what I want it to. And I am speaking from a standpoint of all I've driven really up until now is old tractors and occasionally nice tractors at other jobs I've been to, but so far all the benefits outweigh the negatives on this thing. And I'm very, very happy with it. Yeah, something tells me that bit over there isn't going to get done. It's just a complete swamp. Okay, so this field is, I've done the first go. I need to do a quick walk along, see if I need to do it again. And I've basically run out of things to say. there's nothing else gone wrong with this tractor. The only thing that has gone wrong is my stupid footrest. It slides around and then these stick into my feet. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. So yeah, my footrest is crap. Yeah, quick field walk, see what happens. Well, I'm gonna have to do it again. It hasn't quite compacted enough. This has probably been a very boring video. No, nothing really has happened, but I just felt like recording something, felt like making some content, so yeah, enjoy. There is a lot more exciting stuff in the future. We have classic cars, got a few car shows coming up, and also the oh my god. So yeah, stay subscribed for that, and it's a lot more exciting than just driving up and down in a field. But if you did like me driving up and down in a field, personally I think you're a bit weird. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.